Deep inside the jungle, a forgotten mystery waits beneath centuries of nature.
A restoration team enters the jungle to uncover what has remained hidden for a century.
Before restoration begins, engineers must understand the condition of the ancient structure.
The first challenge is freeing the forgotten ship from the jungle that claimed it. After decades beneath nature, the mysterious vessel finally reveals its true shape. The hidden vessel slowly returns as the jungle releases its century-old secrets. Restorers carefully remove a century of nature without harming the mysterious structure. A forgotten doorway prepares to open after 100 years of silence. Beyond the entrance lies an abandoned interior, waiting for a second life. Before transformation begins, engineers must rebuild the foundation of this forgotten vessel. The first step is clearing decades of damage from the forgotten interior. Engineers strengthen the forgotten vessel before creating a new purpose inside. The damaged outer shell begins returning to its original strength and beauty. The empty chamber slowly transforms into the heart of a future jungle villa. A forgotten spacecraft receives a new vision as restoration becomes architectural creation. The forgotten vessel begins opening itself to the jungle through a new architectural vision. Transparent walls transform the forgotten ship into a home surrounded by nature. Modern craftsmanship brings a luxurious kitchen into the ancient spacecraft. A forgotten chamber becomes a private retreat above the endless jungle. The empty chamber slowly becomes the heart of a future jungle sanctuary. The forgotten spacecraft gains a peaceful sanctuary hidden among the jungle. Craftsmanship transforms the restored vessel into an elegant private residence. Hidden technology brings comfort while preserving the mysterious original design. Above the rainforest canopy, a new viewpoint completes the transformation. The forgotten spacecraft finally begins revealing its future as a luxury jungle villa. The private suite becomes a peaceful retreat overlooking the endless rainforest. Knowledge finds its place inside a structure once forgotten by history.
Nature becomes part of the home as the jungle enters the spacecraft.
Luxury extends beyond the walls into the heart of the rainforest. Every final detail brings new life to an extraordinary architectural masterpiece. The heart of the villa is completed with warmth, craftsmanship, and timeless design. Precision craftsmanship transforms every detail into functional luxury. A peaceful sanctuary emerges inside a structure once abandoned by time.
High above the rainforest, the final masterpiece overlooks an endless natural world.
From a forgotten relic to a breathtaking jungle sanctuary, the transformation is complete. A new dawn rises over a place once forgotten beneath the rainforest. Every room tells the story of restoration, craftsmanship, and imagination. Nature and architecture become one in a retreat hidden deep within the jungle. Hidden among endless wilderness, an impossible restoration becomes reality.